Hey everyone, it is me, Amakeman. Today we are unboxing this Hot Wheels recolor of 1970 Pontiac Firebird with purple and white stripe from SW Modified 25 with 18 out of 250. Customized cars with features like bigger spoilers, body kits, and other cool upgrades for personal style. There's a General Motors trademark and Goodyear trademark. Let's unbox this car. The code says S16, that's the code. Front, we have black grille on the hood with no engine and air intake hood, driver side, rear, and passenger side with 70 and the roof. And that is cool and that is a good looking car. Okay, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.